So I'm in New York where Amazon just hosted its devices event and announced a bunch of upgrades to all its Echo devices across categories. You of course have the new Ring, which is very US and other market specific. It's not that big a category in India yet, but what we have this time are the new Echo Dot speakers. These smart speakers which for the very first time have AI integration. What I have with me is the Amazon Echo Dot Max, which we have seen in the past in a similar form factor from Amazon, but this new device feels much more premium, much better with this 3D knitted finish with transparent acoustic for clear and better audio. The rest of the design language still more or less the same, where you have these controls on the top with the volume buttons, the mic turn on, turn off button. This obviously still needs a power cable to run. But the big upgrade this year is the integration of Alexa Plus, or the AI features which make this device smarter than before. And of course, AI is something which is becoming more and more integral to all our devices. And to up its game, what Amazon has done is it has also launched this bigger Echo Studio device, which is going to be far better and louder than the Echo Dot Max. So if you're looking for a speaker which is not only smart but also extremely powerful for all those parties that you throw, this is probably going to be the device to buy this year. And all of these speakers are going to be available in some really interesting colors, including this purple color, which looks very different. But this is not it. The upgrades have also followed or extended to Amazon Echo Show devices. I have with me the Echo Show 8 and the Echo Show 11. Now these two are the smart displays which Amazon has launched today. Both of them come in different sizes. This one is an 8-inch device while this is an 11-inch device. Apart from the size, the screen size, the rest of features and experiences across both these devices are going to remain similar. So what you have is a smart display attached to a smart subwoofer for audio, and this display also gets AI integration, which means it can now track your sleep cycle, it can suggest you activities, it can track your daily calendar, and it can also give you a lot more smart experiences for you and your family as well. Also, this device acts as a smart hub for all the integrated experiences that Amazon bring for you. But you know what? These devices look good, but what excited me the most is the new Kindle. So this is what I'm talking about. Amazon is calling it the Kindle Scribe, and there are a bunch of improvements on this. First of all, this is now more of a productivity device than just being an e-reader. So this feels like a mix of e-reader, iPad and a writing tablet. A part of that reason is you're getting a new custom chip on this device, which makes it much faster than before. In fact, 40% faster than the previous generation Kindle. It also brings down the latency to just under 12 milliseconds. So if you're using the pencil to sketch on this, take notes, it feels almost like you're writing on an actual piece of paper. Amazon has also used a display coating which gives you that friction-like experience, again to give you a paper-like writing experience on Kindle. And what it is trying to do is convert Kindle into an actual productivity device, and that's where all the new generative AI features also come into play. So while you're reading an ebook, you can just simply go and search, take insights out of it, go to a specific ebook that you were reading earlier. But this is not it. What Amazon has also launched this year is this. This is the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft. So now you can add colors to all your notes, anything that you take down in this very own form factor. So both these devices are available in 11-inch, and just look how thin this is. Only 5.4 mm, which is as thin as the new iPhone Air.